Good morning. It's 5:18 on Wednesday. Currently making breakfast right now. We're about to head down for surf tryouts in 30 minutes. Make some eggs. Okay, let's see what Rudy wants. Yeah, I'm doing there at like 6. Same. 6 means I have to get ready now then. It's 5:36. It's 5:36. Takes roughly 8 minutes to get down to Ben's house and 7 minutes to get down to 26th. So do the math. It is 17 minutes to get down to the tryouts. Takes 4 minutes to get ready and 7 minutes to shit. Let's go. Alright, we're all ready to go. Now we'll pick up Ben. I'm here. Let's go, hurry up.
You're 10 minutes late though.
No, I said 6 to 6:15.
Not the point of it.
Boy,
Dude, what's that sound?
the sewer, remember?
Did that actually stretch?
We should have bit.
Purple maple.
Alright.
Oh, you.
Hey, wait. Maybe she knew I was there.
Yeah, you converted her, man.
Alrighty. Alright, we're here right now. And I'll let you know how it is. Alright, we just finished tryouts. I mean, conditions were pretty poor. It was 1 to 3, occasional more 3+-ish, but very inconsistent. So 15-minute heats. Oh, we did okay. Okay, just finished some math and then some Spanish, and class just ended. And right now, it does look a bit smallish, so I might take the longboard out. Go right here, boom style. You see right here, it's looking. I saw a set was looking fun. So I'm probably take a longboard and so I can get all these waves because I could shortboard them, but I did that earlier. I'm kind of lazy, but do I want to duck dive? I feel like duck dive will be easier than turtling. But I'll longboard today. I've done plenty of shortboarding recently. So yeah, so the tide is rising, but it is 11, so it'll peak and then it'll stay for the whole surf. So it'll stay around 3.5, 3.6 the whole time. Light wind. So I'm gonna go get ready and wear my other suit because my other one from this morning is really wet. Oh, baby. Wake up! Oh, you want some love? Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so yeah, this is the suit I used this morning. It's super wet still, it's still dripping. It's a 3-2 Hyperfreak. I've had it since November. But this one, I actually just, is my old one. I cut it up to be short sleeve because it was too tight. And I was gonna do the knees, but that's fine for now. So I'll use this one today. And let's start going. Step into shower. Close the thing. And then okay, so I just finished the surf. I went for like 30 minutes. It looked good, it wasn't good. Got like 4 good waves. And there was a camera error, so I only got maybe first 5 minutes. Probably nothing, I haven't checked it yet. But now that I finished some chores, and I haven't done this in months, but gotta yank the weeds out the front because everyone else's look nicer than ours. My parents don't like that. Okay, so I just finished the first half of our yard. I'm getting the green trash bin so I can empty my bucket and get a new batch, which is the middle portion, which I think the middle portion will be the worst to do because that's actually dirt, which means everything is, all the roots and stuff are a lot deeper to yank out. Yeah. Got the broom and dustpan, and time to sweep. Alright, first half's done. And time to move on to the middle half and then the third half. Okay, so I finished that part. The first half, second half, third half is halfway. I mean, I can't yank them with my hands anymore, so I don't know what else to do. It's as much as I can do because they're too strong. So I finished sweeping, and toss them in trash. Okay, I just finished, and I think this might have taken 2.5 hours now. Maybe probably 2 minutes for this video, but 2.5 hours to finish this. Okay, so now we're doing some returns and run some groceries. Let's go, come here. Oh.
That's a 16 gauge, I guess, still. Okay, so let me do 3 of those. Actually, yeah, that would be great. Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too, thanks.
Bye. Okay, so I guess not there.